Well, Bob Dylan once said, "Don't think twice, it's all right." And Kim, is this the feeling that producers should have with these declining wheat prices?
I don't think so. You look at what's going on in the wheat market, the wheat price just continues to go down. We've got the funds going short. We've got lack of export demand. I just don't know how low it's going to go before it hits that bottom and bounces back up.
So what's the condition with the 2019 wheat harvested forward contracts?
Well, if you look at the forward contract, let's just use Burlington, Tacoma area. You can forward contract right now for about $4.32 a bushel. Compare that to $5 and a nickel this same time last year. Now the basis on that 432 is a minus 10 cents compared to a minus 50 cents last year, so it's 40 cents better than it was last year. And it's based on the Kansas City July contract price, which this year is $4.32. Last year it was $5.01, or the forward contract price is 59 cents less than it was this time last year.
So why is the basis higher than the futures prices?
Well, I think that basis reflects the local condition. I think that the elevator wants to buy that wheat at harvest. I think there's a domestic demand for that wheat as we get into harvest. I think that futures price, that lower price, reflects the lack of export demand. Plus, we've had the funds come in. They continue to sell this market because of lack of demand. And I think the market is waiting and is not going to buy these contracts until export demand picks up. And with the things that's going on in the Black Sea area, that might be a while.
Well, speaking of exports, the World Trade Organization ruled against China. So what does that mean for Oklahoma?
I think it's a null event. If you look at China's imports of wheat, they've only imported about 107 million bushels. That's an average over the last 5 years. Of that, 85% of it's been hard red spring wheat, 15% of it's been white wheat, 0 hard red winter wheat. So since they don't, even if they did import hard red winter wheat, it'd be out of the Seattle or the western seaports, and that wheat would come out of the northern states.
So how should Oklahoma producers react to these lower prices?
Well, I think they've got to take a hard look at them. They've got to compare their allocation of land, labor, capital, and management. I think the one thing they can't afford to do is use these low prices as an excuse not to produce a quality product. I think they've got to get that nitrogen on there, get that protein and test weight up, produce a quality product, or they're going to lose another 50 cents to $1.
Quality is always important.
You bet.
All right, thanks, Kim. Kim Anderson, Grain Marketing Specialist here at Oklahoma State University.